Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the truck ad effect. So all you have to do to make your product appear like it's moving, like it's on a truck, is simple. First of all, you have to go to this website called Higgsfield.ai. The next step will be for you to sign up or sign in, then click on app, scroll and choose the truck ad section. On the truck ad section, once you've clicked on it, on this page you will be prompted to upload your image in this area. So once you've uploaded your image, all you have to do is to scroll and choose the video effects section here. The scroll and choose the video one, the video instead of the image. If you want an image, you can just click on image. It will just give a static image of your product on the truck. But if you want video similar to what we have displayed, click on generate video, and then your video would be ready for you. So you can see this is the example of the product that was uploaded, and this was the effect created. Now you can see here it says it costs 19 credits, but do not worry because you can generate this using the free account. And this is because Higgsfield AI gives you some credits to be used to generate two or more effects, especially just to show you that they're all about it. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and